Samsung has made the decision to bring back their fan base's worst fear. After Qualcomm's amazing performance with the S23 chip this year, we are talking about the Exynos chip, namely the most recent Exynos 2400 that will be inside the Galaxy S24 series. You're going to see a good number of Android smartphones switching to MediaTek flagship chips or Qualcomm's 8 Gen 2 chip next year instead of the 8 Gen 3. As Qualcomm has priced the 8 Gen 3 chip for next-generation 2024 flagships much higher compared to their previous generation prices. And Samsung won't be doing that. Instead, they'll be using their own Exynos 2400 processor, which they've been working on for 2 years. Now that the latest report from China is complete, we can see precisely what specifications this chip will have. The Exynos 2400 is a 10-core CPU and possibly 12-core GPU chip that is expected to be twice as fast as the Exynos 2200. It will be constructed using Samsung's allegedly enhanced 4nm technology, although it's unclear whether it will perform as well as the 4nm DSMC process that will be used on the 8 Gen 3. The camera ISP will enable 320-megapixel camera sensors and up to 8K 60fps footage, making it as powerful as the Agent 3. The most recent Exynos 5300 modem, which was announced earlier this year, will be able to communicate with satellites in both directions, much as the 8 Gen 3 Exynos 2400. Regarding the GPU, Samsung will be using the most recent Xclipse 920 GPU, which is once again said to be 2 times faster than the previous generation. Ideally, this will allow it to equal or approach the performance that we'll see on the 8 Gen 3. Additionally, Samsung has begun working on the firmware for the entire Galaxy S24 lineup, which is, of course, based on Android 14 and may use a single UI 6.1. In addition, we now have our first ever physical look at the S Universe series. Of course, these are the batteries for all 3 models, so they are essentially the same sizes as the S23 lineup. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.